Market was down as much as 758 points on the Dow at one point. We recovered about 300 points, but still, what happened? We called our team back in. Kinsey Grant, Brian Sozzi, thank you guys for joining us. Kinsey, it was kind of about tech, wasn't it?
Yeah, tech was definitely one of the biggest losers today. So here's some food for thought. On the Dow Jones, the third biggest gainer was Apple, and Apple itself was down 0.8%, which is pretty significant for a company like Apple.
So that's not really a gain.
Not really a gain,
right.
Exactly. But the biggest loser on the Dow was Intel, and that's because there were reports today that Apple is going to make its own chips for the MacBooks, which is a big hit to Intel, a big hit to all of the chip makers, which were all broadly a lot lower today.
But like they said, not till like 2020.
Right.
How reactive is this market, Brian?
The market is just totally freaky. I mean, throughout the day, there was nothing good to like. Financials got sold off. Very interest rate sectors, sensitive sectors got sold off. Home builders, not good. Chip suppliers, not good. Semiconductors, not good. But you know what? In this market, I go to our North Star, our founder, Jim Cramer.
Our fearless leader.
Yeah, look, I mean, he had a great piece on Real Money hit. Trade war is now given. I mean, if you're looking for positives, this is where you want it. Trade war is now priced in the stocks. FANG stocks are absolutely hated. So when they report first quarter earnings, they're going to be so good, people might nibble at them. Oversold. We're back to oversold conditions in February. And then lastly, volume into the downside is so extraordinary. How can you not nibble down here?
But that goes to why everyone should always have cash on hand, because today, of all days, the market's on sale. You should be shopping, no?
Right. This reminded me of February 5th, when that first Monday in February, we had a huge sell-off, and everybody I talked to after that said that was the day people should be buying. So maybe something similar today.
And maybe it's today. Now, do you go back to the tech stocks? Would you be nibbling at those?
I'm going back to that Apple. I mean, keep in mind, Apple is going to give away all its cash over the next couple of years.
Right.
They want to go to zero cash. How do you not bet on Apple with as much cash that it's sitting on? Buybacks, dividends.
Right.
Those are the names you want to bet on.
The tariffs, I think, I find that interesting too, because that is across the board. That could be why the entire market got slammed today, because China said everything from pork to fruit, the 15% on fruit, commodities. I mean, you name it. They're slapping tariffs. We are in an official trade war.
And Tyson Foods, they got rocked on this tariff stuff, but we had Tyson Foods CEO in here. Very encouraging. I think he's going to make a big deal this year. That's a name you want to go back to ultimately as well. All
right. Do we call turnaround Tuesday? Do we give it? Do we get it all back tomorrow, Kinsey?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll say halfway.
She's going to hedge
maybe a turnaround Thursday.
Yeah, okay.
I say most of it.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
All right. You got to tune in. Check us out. SoundCloud, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. We have you covered across the board. And make sure you check out TheStreet's.com for more.